Let's talk about Kilner replacement screw bends set of 6 gold screw bends for screw top preserve jars. For use with Kilner preserve jars, the Kilner screw bends are an essential piece of equipment for any home preserver. Suitable for use on 1 liter, 0.5 liter and 0.25 liter Kilner preserve jars. Hand wash only. Excellent preserve jars from Kilner, and, for a sleeve of 3 1-liter jars, good value for money too. They are sturdy and well made and stand up to preserving extremely well as expected. The double screw lid with airtight seal is genius. This system works really well. Basically, the seal lid stays on top of the jar, when a vacuum created, which is the sealed airtight part, and the screw section can be removed. The vacuum seal section of the lid can be used numerous times and can be repurchased separately when needed. The jars are well presented and there are full and detailed instructions, on the back of the packaging, to create the perfect airtight vacuum seal for preserving with a double lid. Very pleased with purchase and hope that they will last long, well packaged with excellent Amazon. Just put a bit of glue on the lid and you have a great jar for storage. And it's Kilner. How middle class is that?